Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to create H&R Block account on PC. Before we begin with the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any other tutorials like this. H&R Block is American tax preparation company operating in Canada, US and Australia. To create H&R account, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.hrblock.com, then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to HR Block's website. Now here you can see sign in option at top right section of the website. Click on sign in option. Then here you can see create account option at the down. Click on create account. Then here you can see the registration page. Now here you need to first enter your email address that you want to use to create your account. After doing so, enter the password on the given password box. Make sure your password has 8 minimum of characters, 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, 1 special character and 1 number. After that, re-enter the password by clicking on confirm password box. After entering your password again, once view electronic communication consent, online service agreement and privacy notice, then click on the box stating that I agree to the terms of conditions and I also acknowledge to all the privacy policy. With that, click on next at the down side. Now you'll receive a verification code on your email address. So once check your Gmail and look for the email sent by HR Block. Then open the email. Then copy the given code sent by HR. After copying the code, go back to the HR website and enter the given code. With that, you'll be guided to another page. Now here you need to first enter your first name, then enter your last name on the given box. Now select your country by clicking on the downside icon. Then after entering or selecting your country, now enter your mobile number by clicking on the given box. After entering your mobile phone number, click on create account. Now you'll receive a verification code on your mobile phone number as well. So once check your mobile phone and enter the verification code that is sent to your message. If you don't receive the code, you can click on resend code. After entering the verification code, you'll be directly guided to HR Block homepage. With this, you'll be able to successfully create HR Block account. This is how we can create HR Block account on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.